Morning, guys. I've been thinking about this upgrade for a while now, and it's something I'm not very familiar with, but I've watched a lot and read a lot about it, and I want to do it to my Gladiator. She does really well, but I want to see if this will increase her performance. And what it is a rough country cold air intake. Now, a lot of you will say, why did you go with rough country? Well, I wasn't sure how it was going to affect my performance, if it was going to be positive or negative. So I didn't want to spend a lot on a cold air intake if I was going to have to take it off, at a later date. So I've already took the bubble wrap off this right here, but it was very well packaged. All the clamps, and a huge air filter, which I'm very happy for. I didn't elect to get the cover for the air filter. I may do that at a later date if I notice that it's getting extremely dirty. The badging, I don't know if I'm going to put that on there, and the seal that goes around. But so it looks like from the instructions, it's very simple install, but I probably shouldn't have said that. And I will attempt to document this process. I've watched a couple videos, and seems like there are a few boats, or not a ton of boats that I need to remove, but I'm gonna make sure I do a good job documenting it so I know where everything, sensors and stuff, go back and attach to the new one. All right, I'll be back. All right, I've got the airbox removed, and this part right here was the a little bit difficult to get that depressed and pulled out, but I was able to. Um, and let's see, that's cool. Now for the assembly of the rough country one. So, teaching moment. There is no way I could get this onto here with this clamp on top. So I had to take it apart and then put this on and then push this back, and then the instructions are not great.
So 45 minutes in, I'm almost pissed off, but I'm going to get it.
Okay, so the install is complete, finished. I will say it is very loud, throaty. It's got that raspy when I get down on it. I think I will leave this on for a couple days, maybe over the weekend, see how it goes, see if I get any error messages, error codes or anything. I don't know if I have more power. I'm going to have to drive it a while to see. I'm not a speedster, so that's, I don't drive fast, but let's see if I'm gonna just drive it a couple days. I will say I would not put this sensor on where the instructions say, because there are a lot of maneuvering you got to do to get this thing on, and you may break this sensor if you leave it on while you're trying to get it over this lip and this clamp on this, and yeah, and I had to adjust these clamps. I had to put this part of the boot on first and clamp it down, and then I tilted this up in order to get this clamp on, and then I was able to finally get this clamp on once this was on. And of course the filter needs to go on first so it pushes through, and there's a little bit of a lip on the end of this, the air filter. This right here in the pictures does not show that you need to cut this, because it does not form a 90. This is a 90-degree here, and I don't care. There was no way I could bend this and get this down without snipping it. But it's on, and we will see how it goes. I love my red line tuning. Man, having to put that down to hold the hood up, and now I have these struts on there, just makes, it's a game changer. Game changer. Put on some new headlights. I had those halogen. I got these. They're pretty nice. I like the pattern. I'm going to replace these soon too. And my hell wig, yeah. Sway bar in the back here. Oh my gosh, that was a game changer. When I tow, yeah. But I am very happy. I hope to be happy with this cold air intake, and let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Hope I was able to help someone.